It's summertime, it's hot, and we need something refreshing. I'm making a banana punch, something I grew up enjoying as a child for Polly. Let's see if he's gonna enjoy this or not. Trinbagonian banana punch. This is a drink I grew up enjoying. You know, and you can put oats in there, you can put a bit of peanut butter in there. You can be so creative if you want to put some sea moss in there. Yo, sea moss it is. But anyhow, I've got 4 really ripe bananas. We call it ripe fig. I've got some vanilla. I'm using honey. However, when mommy would make this, she would use sweetened condensed milk. Evaporated milk, plain old milk. I'm gonna grate in some nutmeg, and I've got some cinnamon. And those are the flavors we're gonna all pull together for this beautiful, refreshing summertime drink. And of course we have the bananas, so that adding all that potassium and everything else. Nice. I've got my blender all ready to go, and all we want to do is peel those bananas. Yeah, and don't mind the little bruising and all that. It's a great opportunity to use banana that's a little bit overripe, and I know many people do banana bread, banana muffin. In my case, when we had we always had ripe bananas for some reason or the other, was our daddy planted a lot of banana trees around the house and all that. But we wouldn't do banana muffin and banana bread. We would do banana fritters. We call it ripe fig fritters or fig fritters. If you're interested in that recipe, drop a comment down below, and I will sort all it out. Now, one more quick tip. If you wanted to chill the banana first, my milk, they're both chilled. You can peel them and freeze them, and then add them to here. It's gonna get more of that sort of a smoothie texture. Totally up to you how you want to rock this. Cinnamon. Grate in some nutmeg in there. You got a lot of little grater. It's nice. It's real nice. Anyhow, I love the smell of that grated nutmeg. Well, cinnamon as well. And you don't have to go too crazy with the sort of spices that we're adding in there. We're going to pour in that honey, and that's the sort of sweetener that we're adding to things. Yes, the banana will be obviously naturally sweet, but we still need that sort of sweetener. As I said before, mommy would typically use sweetened condensed milk, whereas I'm trying to cut back the sugar, because the last time I did a recipe with sugar, I did lemonade. Oh my word, people get upset. They're attacking my manhood, all kind of thing like that. Anyhow, vanilla extract, evaporated milk, and the printable recipe will be available at caribbeanpot.com with precise ingredient amount and everything else. So don't stress too much. Head over to caribbeanpot.com. Full thing over there waiting for you. Pardon me for a second. And of course we need just plain old chilled milk. Yeah, I'm gonna add maybe a cup or 2 more. Then it's just a matter of putting it onto your base there. Boom, bam, crank it up. Just gonna crank that open. Oh man, come on, drip inside there, bro. Oh, that reminds me of being a child in Trinidad and Tobago, man. The smell of the banana, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the vanilla. Way, real memories there, sir. Then all you would do is pour yourself a glass, and that is it. Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. Always a pleasure having you all in the kitchen with me. Banana punch, nutritious, refreshing, a great summertime. And it's quick. It's very simple to put together, as you all saw there. A great summertime little treat, yeah? Enjoy.